Hey, what is up, YouTube? Thank you very much for tuning into my channel, Lando Tech, and boy, have I got some interesting news for you. As we all know, one of the perks of using Netflix is you have the ability to pick what you want to watch when you want to watch it. But the downside of this is sometimes we spend just as much time looking for the movie as we do watching the movie. In France, Netflix is testing out a solution that will bring a linear cable TV style of watching to the platform. That means you won't have to rack your brains deciding on what you want to watch. When you click on the direct Netflix option, you'll get a steady stream of pre-programmed films, series, and documentaries. Just like regular old school cable TV, you'll be watching this in real time and won't have the ability to rewind. A great benefit of this feature is it gives viewers the opportunity to take in content that they wouldn't have otherwise sought out for themselves. Netflix generates the list of shows in this DirecTV feed based on what's popular and not based on what titles you viewed in the past. And the list is regenerated over a 5-day period. The Netflix Direct feature is only accessible on the website, and it's not available on any of the Netflix TV, PC, or mobile device apps yet. It started to roll out in some parts of France Thursday, November 5th, and should be accessible to the entire country of France in early December. There's no word from Netflix as to whether or not it intends on introducing this feature in other countries. Is Netflix Direct a feature that you'd like to see appear in your country? Let me know in the comments. Thank you very much for watching my video, guys. If you found this helpful, please click the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe by clicking my logo at the bottom right of this video. Don't forget to click the notification bell to be notified when I drop a new video.